This screen is accessed by authorized users only, as it contains critical system configuration. In this video, we will explain how this setup protects your business from costly mistakes. This is the Accommodation Benefit Paid screen within the Allowance Setup interface. It defines the strict financial rules for employee accommodation benefits. These specific control columns, nationality, fixed, minimum, and maximum, dictate exactly who is eligible for a benefit and cap the precise dirham amount they can receive. Setting these parameters encodes your HR policy directly into the system workflow, ensuring no funds move outside of these defined company guidelines. Configuring this screen serves as the first step in establishing a financial firewall for the organization's operating budget. This screen is accessed by authorized users only, as it contains critical system configuration. In this video, we will explain how this setup protects your business from costly mistakes. This allowance setup screen defines strict financial rules for employee accommodation benefits. Control columns like nationality, fixed, minimum, and maximum dictate eligibility and cap the exact dirham amount. Setting these encodes HR policy directly into the system, ensuring funds never move outside defined guidelines. Configuring this screen is the first step in establishing a financial firewall for your operating budget. Now imagine your system does not have these controls. Without these constraints, you are left with an open text field where any user can enter unregulated numbers without the software requesting verification. During a standard end-of-month rush, a data entry clerk might move too quickly and accidentally double-tap the zero key while entering a housing allowance. If there are no caps running in the background to catch the anomaly, the software accepts that inflated figure as valid data. In a fraction of a second, a simple keyboard error is recorded as a permanent institutional instruction. The consequences become visible when the automated monthly payroll run processes that specific data point. A standard 5,000 dirham benefit instantly scales to 50,000 dirhams, creating an immediate and unplanned drain on available cash reserves. This creates friction on payday, as managers are forced to investigate the sudden shortfall while dealing with the logistics of the overpayment. Secondary complications follow, ranging from the administrative burden of fund recovery to potential disputes regarding employee contracts. Inaccurate reporting eventually reaches external auditors or government bodies, inviting compliance reviews and formal penalties. A single missing validation rule has now created an expensive administrative loop that could have been stopped at the source. We can prevent these scenarios by returning to a structured administrative environment. On the Employee Basic Salary screen, the Benefit Payments tab enforces the global rules established earlier on an individual level. The system maintains strict temporal boundaries. Frequency is locked to the designated term, and date fields prevent any payments falling outside the approved period. Hinawi ERP builds these validations directly into the workflow to give you full control and prevent these problems before they reach your ledger. Because the limits are fixed, the system identifies the extra zero typo as an invalid entry and blocks the save, neutralizing the human error instantly. Proactive system logic ensures that your data remains accurate even when manual entry is rushed. Effective configuration turns these software fields into an automated verification system that constantly monitors your assets. The right setup provides the structural security necessary to protect your business operations. Secure your organization today. Visit HinawiERP.com or reach out to our team for a consultation.